All right, good morning everybody, welcome back to another video. This is going to be the 30th, well actually 29th, tomorrow, Sunday. This is Saturday Rides and Coffee over here at my job place. However though, there's a bunch of other cool cars meeting up right over here to go to the Santa Monica event today. Sadly I won't be able to make it down there because I'm stuck down here running the show, but I thought I'd just show you guys some of the cool cars that will be up there. And I think this is going to be the last video that I do that is a clean video. Going into October, might be doing more of a roast. So, banging on cars basically that are just complete and just looking weird and stuff. Got a vet over there with some red eyes looking hella sick. But kind of changing up the channel just a little bit. Of course, to see what other content chasers are out there other than just people watching vlogs. But you'll get the update in the end of the month. Update coming out tomorrow. Talk about a live emblem. That's funny. Got the boats out here this morning. Got the things out here this morning. Hell yeah, busy morning. Let's get it. Got Peña's hot dogs out here, guys. Cooking on that bacon wrap glizzies. Got pastrami, guys. What a busy morning today, man. Got the classics out here, of course. Beautiful morning, beautiful cars, sweet rides. Got an Audi R8. Hey, watch out behind you, boss. Sorry. This thing's pretty sick. Really, really nice. V10. Got everything out here this morning, guys. Woo! Saw a whole entire new thing and everything in there. That's crazy. Fully restored, basically. I do have the DJ out here, guys. I don't want to get that copyright, but this is insane, dude. Fully restored. Really cool turnout, guys. The thing showed up. Super dope. Delograms. A couple people that I know. And then this one right here. It's got the clear tail lights. That is amazing to see. So, what else here? Different black cars, super amazing. Mopar Group showed up. There's a Civic Type R down that way as well. We'll go check that out right now. All right, so besides these cool cars and Peña's hot dogs, gay picking up his lady. But anyway, so pretty sick BMW over here. Team Motion FPV, first person view. Civic Type R right over here. So this is one of the guy's brother's cars over here. Looking clean, dude. I see this thing all the time outside. I'm like, whose car is this? But now it makes sense. It's one of the brothers out here. So pretty cool morning out. Got the trucks over here too. They're chilling. I told them to come over here this way. That's all right. Beautiful thing just pulled up right over here. Sheesh. Y'all see this one? If y'all remember from the last meet, Hawthorne meet, now you can see that nice, beautiful shine in the sun and everything. Crazy colors, man. Champions Car Club coming in hella hot today. All right, so I didn't record the really nice Shelby GT500. The middle doing a raffle, but we are able to see this beautiful thing out over here. Tucked work wheels. Oh, this thing is so beautiful, man. A couple of sick Bel Airs showed up. Oh my god. Clean Bel Air, man. Glass finish, guys. Both of them on hydros. That is amazing looking, dude. Bottom, South Central. They're about to head to Southgate. Stop by real quick. Nice, nice, nice. Really beautiful car. Wow. Red block too? Okay. Beautiful. And I think that's gonna be all the car content for today, guys. And yeah, so if you guys like today's video, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, all that good junk, and share it. You know, help out the page grow, help the channel grow. So I think that's gonna be it for today's video. As always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.